Today I've got the big paper bag. I ordered food from Buca Deppo. Yeah, I did. They had on DoorDash, buy one, get one free, baked ziti for one. And also, well, the baked ziti for one comes with a salad and garlic bread. And I paid the $1 more to get the mozzarella, like garlic bread. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, got the Diet Pepsi. Yeah, and also they had buy one, get one free side order of meatball. So basically I got 2 meatballs and some sauce with 2 orders of the baked ziti for one. Oh, there's one of my meatballs. They put them together last time I got it. There's the other meatball. And so, Caesar dressing. Yep, I'm all up in my bag. Get this garlic bread. Or salad. Lord, I don't even know. Oop. Oh man, they packaged it different this time. Yeah, I'm trying to save this bag. Okay. It's tore up a little bit, but I'm still going to use it. Oh, yeah, this is a lot of food. I'm definitely not eating all of this, but it's such a good deal. You know, you got like food for 2 days, seriously. This has to be the salad, which makes me feel weird because it's warm. Really? That's all the salad? Oh my God, I got like a whole container of salad last time. Okay. That's the salad. Alright, I can deal. It's fine. I'm gonna eat both of the salads then. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yep. Oh, I've got Parmesan. And this is the Caesar. Nice. So I got my salad. I hope everybody's doing good today. I'm doing just fine. I don't have any complaints. Physically, just the usual, but oh, that's good. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, yummy, yummy. And I'm gonna put the other one to the side somewhere. Oh, mercy me. Mercy me. I'm gonna put the salad lid somewhere. Glad I had a napkin. Guess that'll be alright. Oh, you guys. So I'll put one of the meatballs over there too. See that? I'm just gonna stick the lid down in there. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It would be nice if I had a utensil, but I didn't get one. Not the white ones. It'll work. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's so tiny. Ooh. Yeah. I'm not all here today. I'm not all here. I'm trying to be here, but all right. Oh, touching my hair. Got some crushed red pepper. I'm just gonna do that right off the bat. Probably not the whole thing. Dump it around on meatballs. Oh, I did the whole thing. I did it. I did it. Got the Parmesan. Well, that didn't help. It's still like stuck up in that corner. Oh. Oh man, what day is it? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Well, y'all are seeing this on Saturday. That's how that works. I've got plans to see Susan on Sunday. We may reschedule, it just depends on how things go. I don't know if I'll need all the dressing because I combined my salads. Ooh. Buca Deppo. That's a good Caesar. Ow. That's very good. That's good salad. So I got the meatball for this. If I can cut into the meatball with this flimsy ass fork. Oh man, come on. I'm gonna have to get in there with a knife and cut it. There we go. Oh. Oh yeah, that hits. Okay, the little knife works a lot better. Oh, that is so good. Good meatball. And I made it spicy. I'm just chopping it up. After all said and done, it might as well be meat sauce. Oh, yummy, yummy. Well, last night Susan and I hung out for a little while. We watched Survivor, and we watched 2 episodes of the Dead Boy Detectives. We've got 2 to go, and as I already know, the series was canceled, so that's not going anywhere. So this is baked ziti. Still nice and warm. The container was hot, actually. I've got ricotta, a big glob of ricotta in the middle. Ooh, there's more on the side too. God, this is pitiful. This fork is just pitiful. I'm like, geez, do I have other forks? And no, I'm not going to get up and go all the way in my kitchen. More than likely, I got forks over there. I do. Ugh. Let's see how long I can tolerate this thing. Probably not long. Oh, mercy. It's steamy. Told you it was hot. Oh. That's good, Ziti. Ooh, excuse me. Oh. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. Oh no, I like the buy one get one frees. The buy one get one free deals, especially when it's something that reheats well. I'm gonna use the spoon because I want to douse it in the sauce. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting for this deal to come back because I did it. I've had this before, so I know what it's like. I know it's good. And I did this off camera. Because it was a time that I wasn't able to do much cooking. So this carried me over for 2 days. Oh. It's packaged differently. It's still really good. Same amounts of everything too. I think there might even be a little bit more ziti in this container. I love a good Caesar. Oh, so good. Oh man. Oh, excuse me. Cheese is all baked to the sides. I love it when it's got the cheese crust on top like that. Yum. Oh, it's dropping ricotta. Ooh-wee. My upstairs neighbors are just clomping around today. I'm trying to get cheese off the side. I love crispy cheese. Oh man. Ooh-wee. I didn't get the cheesy garlic bread last time. It's good. That's so good. Get off. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 The meatball is so good. Mm. 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 Oh, excuse me. Oh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. I knew I was going to drop that. Mm. Ooh. That was the perfect amount of red pepper. Mm. 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 Ooh. Y'all, I'm getting full. I knew I would. I knew this was going to be 2 meals. Mm. Especially with the meatballs. Mm-hmm. And the salad. Oh. I keep trying to get that crusty cheese. Like, nope. Mm. 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 Ooh. Oh. Mm. Mm. Those 2 little dollops of ricotta just blend all through the whole the whole dish. Mm. Creamy and delicious. Oh man. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I'm full. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Man. Mm. 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 Oh, I'm so full. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Woo. Mm. Ate about half of my pasta. Well, at least half of the salad. And probably more than half of a meatball. Ate half of the bread too. I'll probably just eat the other meatball with the ziti because I'm gonna burn through that bread later on when I eat this. Wow. Good deal. Well, you'd think it's a good deal. It's still like 60 something bucks. Excuse me. When all is said and done with all of the fees and whatnot. But still, it's 4 meals. That's not bad. In the great scheme of things. But yeah, not a whole lot's been going on since I've been, well, just, I haven't been in anything. The days just kind of blend by, you know, they just kind of blend together, you know. Excuse me. I don't really do a whole lot, y'all know. Do my little videos a couple of times a week. Watch my TV, play some World of Warcraft, which I've been playing a little bit here and there. I still don't have a character to 90, but the last week I've been kind of focusing on this little in-game game called the Trial of Style. I don't you can basically something called transmogrify your gear to look particular ways. So it's basically a fashion show in WoW, which is fun, you know. It's those little games, those little things that keep me interested in it. So it's always something to do in there. And I just got accepted to a new guild with the character that I've decided to main, or to make my main character. And she's only 72. I mean, I've got characters over 80. But I was like, this is like one of my oldest characters. So I was like, yeah, let me take her further. Let me do something with this girl, Nymphette. Anyhow, that's like one of my little pastimes. Anyway, you guys, I appreciate y'all spending time with me today. I'm about to go into a pasta coma for a few hours, and then I'll finish my food. It's usually 2 sittings for me. People are like, she's gonna eat it as soon as she turns the camera off. No, not as soon, but it will get eaten. Trust and bet. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you again for spending time with me, and I will see you next time. Bye now.